As the UK's largest supplier of aftermarket catalytic converters, EEC is committed to providing help diagnosing issues with service, installation and technical support. Using a 4-gas analyzer to test and diagnose problems within a vehicle's emissions system. Only insert the 4-gas analyzer's probe into the exhaust tailpipe when the oil temperature reaches 90 degrees Celsius. You can see the system shows us that this vehicle failed the MOT test on its emissions because its readings had a CO value of 0.741 and a lambda reading of 1.08. The hydrocarbon level at 153 parts per million are within the MOT limits though. This leads us to realize that the catalytic converter could be working below its efficiency level. Replacing the catalytic converter may reduce the CO value and the lambda reading, enabling an MOT pass. But this can only be considered a short-term fix, and the CAT could only last for a short period of time before it's damaged again. If we look at the 4-gas analyzer test again, we can identify that there's an underlying problem. The O2 level is at 2.25, which is far too high, as a good reading would be below the 0.2 level. This is usually the result of an air leak between the manifold and the first lambda sensor. The extra O2 is picked up by the lambda sensor and the data is sent to the ECU. On calculating this information, the ECU thinks that the engine is running too lean, so adding more fuel in an attempt to achieve the correct fuel-air ratio of 1 part fuel, 14.7 parts air, which is lambda 1. Therefore, the extra fuel results in the hydrocarbon level being at 153 parts per million. If there was no fault and the engine was running correctly, the HC reading would be less than 15 parts per million. By using a vapor machine, we can locate the problem. As you can see, there's a very small hole in the front pipe. Without this aid, it would be very difficult to see or hear the air leak. Once we identified that the hole is on the front pipe, we can replace it and carry out a new 4-gas analyzer test. The new test values show an excellent reading, and this will comply fully with the MOT emissions test. EEC is committed to ensuring excellent technical support for the aftermarket industry. For more information on the support available or for assistance in diagnosing specific problems, visit our website at eurocats.co.uk or call our technical team on 023 9224 5300.